Hello, my name is Brett Heron, and I'm teaching a statistics course. And in my introduction it's actually called my self-review for this QLT course, my self-review, I identified objectives 1.2, 4.1, and 4.4 as my objectives that I needed to improve upon. 1.2 was all about having a good starting point for the students, and 4.1 was about a self-introduction for the students, which I had not had, and 4.4 was about increasing the peer-to-peer interactions, which was also very lacking in my online courses. So those I did end up staying with those three objectives as I did this course and improved my online class according to those three objectives. So let me show you. So here's the first one, the major one that took me the most time, and that is my starting point. Really what I did was I just made a home page. And you're looking at it right here on my screen. My home page used to just be my modules. And so, I would just go to modules and they would just see the different modules in the course, kind of like this. They would just see, this kind of thing. Not quite as interesting. So I made a new homepage. Actually, I did a second one. I made a previous one, and some of my colleagues made some good suggestions to improve and to use some templates. So I found some good templates and some good images. And so this is a new and improved homepage. So it's got a nice image up there and statistics, tools for the information age, different units in the final exam, and like a start here button that'll lead them to a start page and the syllabus, and a picture of myself, as we saw in some of the videos. Having a picture of yourself is helpful, and that also goes to my office hours and where they can reach me, and a Zoom link for having synchronous class on Zoom. So there's my home page. Next thing I did is I improved objective 4.1, which is a meet and greet self-introduction. Here it is. It's a discussion post I created for students to introduce themselves. And as you can tell here, it says an opportunity for everyone to introduce themselves. I give 3 questions about their life I'd like them to share. And I actually encourage them to make a video. I give them an option if they're not comfortable with the video to answer the questions in writing. But I made my own introduction video right here, and they could click on it. It also shows them how to post a video by just hitting reply and then going into uploading media. So I encourage them to do that and then to reply to each other, to other individuals in the class. And so that'll be enjoyable to get to know them better for me and for the students to get to know each other much better. So thereby fulfilling 4.1, self-introduction for the students. And last item was more peer-to-peer interaction, and that is I improved this activity quite a bit. This was an activity, I'd had this before in my statistics course as a simple question, an assignment, and they would just answer only to me. Well, now I've expanded it quite a bit and made it a discussion item. And so it goes through the comparing correlation and causation, like when 2 things are related, but one doesn't cause the other. I give an example here about you observe statistically significant positive correlation between exercise and skin cancer. People who exercise more tend to get more skin cancer. So does that mean exercise is causing skin cancer? Well, no, we know those people are probably outside more. And so the point is, just because 2 things are correlated doesn't mean one's causing the other. So anyway, I go through that. I have them reply to me and then reply to with an example. I want them to find on the internet an example of something like this and then reply to each other in a peer-to-peer interaction, explaining each other's example. So there we go.